I don't quit. You know, I may not make it the first time, but I'll come back.
But don't you give up on me, Brock. You keep going, you hear me? You keep going, you're doing good. You keep going. Do not quit on me. You keep going. It hurts. I know it hurts. You keep going. You keep going.
Do you want to sit down and go back to that guy you once were? No. So this is what it takes.
For something. Everybody's great when they're not tired. The champions is when they tired, that's when the real champions come out. That's when that real dog come out. Because if you go piss like a puppy, stay on the porch and let the big dogs eat.
If you want some kind of a good outcome, you're going to have to work hard for it. And if you don't work hard for something, you're not going to get an outcome that's really worth much.
Know that if you have big goals and big dreams, along the way, failure is going to happen. So how fast do you get up from that?
The bad days create the story that I'm one day going to tell myself about what I got through.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good morning, good morning. It is 9:40 right now. As you can see by the title, I'm trying to get back into my routine because I have not worked out or really been productive like I used to in a while. And later on, we're gonna get into that. But as y'all saw, I had my breakfast. I worked out. I took a shower, and I got dressed because I was about to go to my GYN appointment for 10 o'clock. And it's pouring out. And I'm not talking about like, okay, you could get your umbrella. It's pouring. I would take an Uber. Uber has not ever been on my good side in probably like a year. Everything is $20 and up. Unless you get like a discount or something, everything is $20 and up. Bro, from the city, that's damn near like $60 to $70. Anywhere like close areas I go to, 30, 40. I'm not paying that much. I just respectfully, I'm just not. So I rescheduled my appointment for tomorrow. So yeah, it's just a regular checkup. It's not nothing like I gotta go. It's just like a regular yearly checkup. Right now, I'm about to brush my teeth. And that's why I went to go outside too. I need to get new toothpaste, new toothbrush. I need to get mouthwash. And it's so crazy because this type of weather is like a lazy regular week. But we're gonna be productive. Damn, I didn't think it was gonna rain like that. They did say it was gonna rain, but sheesh, that's heavy ass rain. Bro, damn, I can't even show y'all, but it's raining to the point where y'all ever seen it rain so heavy that you gotta like hide somewhere? Or it's just like a hell no, like I'm not going outside. I didn't really expect it to rain like that. I really chose to be productive. I mean, it's a new month, of course, like I'm trying to be productive and stuff like that. But damn, on a rainy ass day, like it's so rainy, the whole house is dark. Like that's how like it looks like it's about to be nighttime. You still gotta be productive though. But it's like, damn, like I can get in bed and watch some Law and Order. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in so long. I feel like my last video was like, of course it was like I used to get my eyebrows done. I want to do it on maintenance kind, because I just did my hair. I'm gonna show y'all my hair. I did my hair like 2 weeks ago. No, a week, or almost 2 weeks. And I'm low-key tired of it. Like I can't wait to do another flip over. I'm doing a body wave flip over. Yo, sometimes I be feeling like my skin, bro, I don't even know it anymore. Like I legit don't even know. Like sometimes I just want to give up because I don't know. I went to my dermatologist. She gave me this for my eczema around my eyes. I'm not gonna lie, 10 out of 10. It's been helping. Because the one she gave me before was steroids. One thing about steroids though, that shit worked fast. I had used the steroids for my hands and it cleared up so fast. It literally like cleared up the next day. You're not supposed to be using steroids like that. But when I used that for my hands, I said, damn, I should have been used this. Like I remember when I used to have like clear skin, and I don't know, because of course like I'm getting older. That's why I've been trying to watch what I eat too. Years ago I used to say I had bad skin. What? Look at that, great. I had perfect skin. I didn't have like, I had bags in my eyes, but my eyes wasn't as dark, and I didn't have like hyperpigmentation. So I don't know what I was talking about. You never appreciate stuff until it's gone, bro. Cause I be looking back at my pictures like, girl, you had clear skin. There was literally nothing wrong. I feel like once I get my eyebrows done, my face gonna clear up. It's a fact. Anytime I get my eyebrows done, my face just magically clears up. Then, last, we're gonna use some Vaseline. Alright, so right now I want to do my hair. My hair needs to be done. Oh, child, look at this. Yo, I didn't even tell y'all. The hairs that I did, my maintenance, the flip over breezy wave, that lasts literally, I did it in June. I want to get this hair, just water, mousse, maybe leave-in condition. I didn't really use no leave-in condition, but the only thing I hate is the shredding. Like, I need to cut this. Like, this is so bad. And this, I use only 2-pack because it's too hot for too much hair. Like, I feel like 2 packs for me is perfect. But I really can't wait to get me a flip over the body wave. Like, I just can't wait. We're gonna do my edges. It holds, but it don't hold forever. Like, how long does it say though? It probably hold for like a few hours. I'm about to make some oatmeal. Oatmeal's finished. I gotta go buy oatmeal tomorrow. After I finish eating, I think I'm gonna edit. Wait, what do I have to do? I just realized I have a whole list of stuff that I need to do. It feels so good to work out. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to work out again. But I'm only doing like every other day. So tomorrow is my skin. Ooh, make a dentist appointment. Should I do that right now? I could do that right now. Hi, good morning. I would like to schedule an appointment.
Have you been here before?
Yes.
What is your date of birth?
December 25th.
Right now, the next available we have is in September.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Yo, I don't know what's going on with these dentists and doctors. It's like you gotta book your appointment in advance. Well, thank God she didn't say October because last year they told me October. I said, oh. Okay, right now I'm about to pick up this container. I got wood. There's something in it, but this container. I'm about to put the wheels on because at first I didn't have the wheels on, but now I'm about to put the wheels on first. I hate how it would be trying it on the field. Man, I'm gonna put some of this stuff that's in the
Let's begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get wetter than an ABC a veteran. Got them writing love letters in they journal. Keep them on these hoes like a measure that they urinal. Bad as I wanna be. She ain't bad, she a salad I wanna be. Let us begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get wetter than an ABC a veteran. Got them writing love letters in they journal. Keep them on these hoes like a measure that they urinal. Bad as I wanna be. She ain't bad, she a salad I wanna be.
Okay, y'all, so right now I'm about to make some tuna sandwich while my video is exporting or whatever, uploading, downloading, whatever. But I'm about to start editing on my desktop. So I'm about to eat some tuna sandwich. I'm about to make two tuna sandwich. I don't know why I can't talk right now. And this is what I really miss about working out, because when you work out you just be so hungry. Since I haven't been working out, I haven't been as hungry, but also it's summertime and sometimes you just don't want to cook. But I ain't gonna lie, workout will really have you gaining weight. What I'm gonna eat tonight, I think I'm gonna eat ground beef with cheese and white rice, because yesterday I had taco. That taco was busting. Oh my god, I just wish I had some lettuce. I ain't gonna lie. This whole parasite thing is very good because I even went to Chipotle. I didn't even get the lettuce because I'm over here scared, but I always get lettuce with my Chipotle. But after I finish eating lunch, I am going to, because I already edit. I have another video to edit. I have one more, so I'm just gonna do that while I eat, and then I'm gonna do my toes. I'm not gonna do my nails because my nails need a break. Like back to back, I've been doing my nails, and they just need just like a break. Probably until I do my next maintenance. But yeah, they need a break.
How are these young ladies? Already 27? How about that? 15 minutes. And we'll charge you with all the drugs we found inside. You want to play this game with me? Because I'm the wrong one, I promise you.
Yeah, they make a big thing. He got my own take a picture of the tag and everything. Like, what? I'm so upset with you. How long were you guys going? It was like
3:32. Cause she called my phone. I stayed on the phone. I was on the phone. My friend was walking over there too. So she first little baby was down on the floor when I first spoke to her.
Okay, so it is the next day. I don't know if you guys can see me. This lighting is terrible, but it's the next day. I'm about to make some cake from Trader Joe's. This is a chocolate chip brownie. Cooking oil, 1 egg, and 1 cup of water. That should be good. I promise y'all my next vlog is going to be way better. Because I actually have stuff planned to do and go places. This vlog is just like, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. But basically this vlog is just like, I just felt like vlogging. Like I haven't vlogged in so long. Okay. Oh, I forgot to even talk to y'all about what happened to my belly piercing and why I have like, you could say like a rash. So we gonna get right into this. So I do this, we gonna chit chat. So basically my piercing has been healing fine. Like I've been cleaning it, you know what I'm saying? So it was good, like my piercing was good until I want to say, was it last month? Yeah, it was last month. Until last month, where it was like bleeding. It was just like rusty, and I promise y'all I cleaned it the night before. I don't know if I probably didn't fully dry it or whatever, but also I changed it. I didn't even show you guys that because I wasn't into vlogging, you know what I'm saying? But I changed it. I used the ring that I showed y'all. So I cleaned it, I changed it. I don't know, it's probably most likely the ring. And also when it came to my piercing would always, like, I don't know why it would go to the side instead of staying straight. It would go to the side, so sometimes I would have to move it, but it was never painful or nothing. Like it was just good. Before that ring, the original ring, it was probably like a week before that, I did see like a little like stuff coming out of it, but I was just like, all right, it's probably nothing, let me just clean it, use the sterilized thing and spray it, and I'm Gucci. So I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying, all right, you're good. Whole time the next week is doing it again, but it wasn't as bad. So I was like, all right, in the morning I'm gonna clean it, whatever. I'll say late at night, I'll probably say like 2, 3 in the morning. I'm feeling like pain. Like every time I move, I'm feeling pain in my stomach. Not my stomach, but like the ring area. So I'm like, wait a minute. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't check because I'm like, all right, when I wake up, I'll probably just check. This is the cake. It got chocolate chips in it. So I get up and I'm just like, all right, there's no more pain. You know what I'm saying? So this was probably like 6 in the morning. I had somewhere to go. So I'm like, all right, let me just, so I get dressed. I'm doing what I gotta do. And then I feel pain again, and I'm like, it's a pain where it's like I couldn't even bend down. So I go to look, and I'm telling you, it's worse than what I saw that week prior. It was like the ring was like stuck, but it was like rusty, and it was like it was disgusting. And I was like, yeah, we're taking this out. So I went to the urgent care. Baby, I was in there about to cry. I wanted to tell him to just keep the piercing in. So he ended up taking the piercing out. They gave me medication. He said it was infected. Even in my last video, y'all saw it was perfect. I cleaned it, it was good. So I honestly don't know how it got infected that quick, that fast. I need to become a better vlogger. I'm not even showing you guys. Hold on. I should have got a smaller pan. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a lot. Okay, y'all, I got my head tie on because I'm about to take me a nap. Like, I got up at 7 o'clock. Since August started, I've been getting up at 7 because I'm trying to get back into my routine. You know, get up early, being productive. But the cake is done. So we about to taste test this because it's my first time getting this. Also, Cherry Jones, they got the best cake mix. To be honest, they got the best snacks. Period. And I love that it's not too sweet.